Nowadays, a large part of the world's population lives in cities or urbanized areas, also in the Netherlands, a tendency that is increasingly growing. To ensure that life can be fully enjoyed in these urban areas, aspects such as the shortage of space, logistics, the need for space to live and work, recreation and enough food all demand the right solutions.
On the Agro-Park, we make intelligent use of each other's knowledge and residual and byproducts, but also of the available space. As a result, there's more space left for landscape development.
The city, with all its inhabitants, needs lots of water, raw materials and energy. And moreover, it produces huge amounts of waste. Sustainable high-tech agro-parks are a new kind of green business park, which could significantly help to solve these problems. Different types of agricultural companies are brought together and are being interconnected within the agro-park. This not only enables an agro-park to supply food, the clever processing of residual and byproducts also creates opportunity for new agricultural services, such as energy production and water purification. Companies are no longer scattered over a wide area, but are close to each other and connected to each other. In this way, the agro-park is much more than just the sum of its parts. Agro-parks guarantee intensive large-scale production, making investments possible that enable more environmentally and energy-friendly ways of working. One company uses the waste materials of another as a raw material and a source of energy. And since transporting animals is no longer necessary, these companies are more animal-friendly as well. This is not only an enormous step forward with regard to animal welfare, but it also significantly reduces the number of transport kilometers and the risk of animal diseases spreading. Because the production per square meter is much higher in agro-parks, less space is required for agricultural production. The space thus saved can be used for other purposes, such as residential use, work and recreation. Innovative high-tech agro-parks produce food for large urban centers in the direct vicinity of those urban centers. This makes agro-parks a good example of metropolitan agriculture.
By producing electricity on the Agro-Park, we come full circle. The electricity is sold on the national network, while the surplus of heat is used to grow paprikas in the greenhouse. You see, this innovation not only strengthens employment, but at the same time enables the Agro-Park to expand in the future. And just as important, through this intensive and large-scale production, sustainability is no longer expensive.
Agro-parks bring added value in all three aspects of sustainability: people, planet and profit. The first examples of agro-parks have already become operational, like Agriport A7.
Large lots and a higher production per acre, a glass fibre connection for unlimited data traffic, and an on-site possibility to use each other's residual and byproducts, like electricity, processed water, carbon dioxide and heat. The companies on this agro-park actually consider sustainability as an excellent opportunity to lower their costs and, in the long run, strengthen their market position.
Agro-parks are a showcase of metropolitan agriculture, creating new links between the city and agriculture. These new links enable more energy, environmentally and animal-friendly production, save space, and make sustainable products less expensive. The agro-park is much more than just the sum of its parts.